Why does your scanner show the P2422 engine code? What does it mean? P2422 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system vent valve stuck closed. It indicates that the vent valve of the EVAP system is stuck closed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty pressure sensor. Faulty vent valve control solenoid. Damaged wiring. Vacuum leaks. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mitsubishi, Nissan, BMW, Toyota, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.